How to change your Facebook password without old password. Hi there, today we'll teach you how to change your Facebook password without having the old password. First, you need to log into your account and go to the three bars menu on the upper right corner, and then we go to privacy and settings and go to settings. Under settings, we need to open account center, and from there we need to go to password and security. Click on password, change password, and after that you will have the option to put the old password, but since we don't have the old password, we can just try another way. So we have three options here: either send code through WhatsApp or send code through SMS. So what we chose is SMS, and then it will be sending a verification code to the phone number. Once you hit on continue, it will route you to a page where you will need to create your new password for the account. Okay, once you have created the new password, you just need to click on next. And now your Facebook password has now been updated. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.